There are times where technology pushes boundaries. What is really exciting is when technology is unleashed and something revolutionary is created. As an indie filmmaker, this is the incredible world I find myself in today. Hello, I'm John Solich. Welcome to Mad Bat Films. Ever since I was a boy, two things really fascinated me: technology and films. I watched man walk on the moon and I marvelled at the technology that got him there. I went to the cinema whenever I could afford it, excited to disappear into the magical world that film would transport me into. I've always wanted to make films, but when I was young, the equipment I needed was out of my financial reach, and Hollywood was a faraway place for a Perth boy. But the digital age changed everything. Suddenly, there was equipment and software at my disposal that I could afford. 2014 saw the introduction of a revolutionary new tool for filmmakers, UAVs or drones. This incredible leap in technology enabled shots that were previously restricted to very expensive platforms like planes and helicopters. The DJI Inspire is a professional-level UAV that delivers unprecedented stability for aerial cinematography through the use of multiple flight sensors, even in winds up to 30 km an hour, and a purpose-built 4K video camera and gimbal system. The remote controller cradles an Apple iPad Air 2, providing the pilot with a large, full HD link to the UAV, allowing the pilot to see exactly what the camera sees with no latency. Coupled together with full flight telemetry and the ability to change camera settings while still in the air, it provides the pilot with all the tools needed to carry out the most complex maneuvers with ease and precision. With a top speed of 70 km an hour, the Inspire lets me shoot dramatic chase shots and panning shots without the need for expensive dollies, cranes and jibs, and significantly reduces the setup time when on location. The results are breathtaking. Mad Bat Films has invested heavily in both UAV and 4K technologies, but my existing suite of Windows-based applications struggle to deal with such large video files. Integration and compatibility issues were a common problem, consuming time that I should have been spending producing my films. So, in 2016, I started investigating alternatives. My mandate was to find professional level video editing and production applications that were integrated and stable, and a PC that was completely compatible with the applications and was powerful enough to keep up with the demands I placed on it for the years to come. That's when Project Apple was born. My Apple iMac with 27-inch 5K Retina display, 4GHz processor, 32GB of memory, 4GB graphic card, and 3TB Fusion drive gives me all the processing power I need to run my suite of Apple applications. Final Cut Pro X for fast editing and post-production work, Motion 5 for amazing titles, and Logic Pro X for creating my own musical scores are the only applications I need, replacing nearly a dozen apps I used on my Windows platform. Each Apple app works seamlessly with each other and allows me to do the work of many people in a traditional production house, reducing my overheads and putting me in complete control of my film production. Rendering, which used to take many minutes to complete, are now done in seconds, allowing me more time to think creatively rather than technically. My iPad Air 2 also provides additional tools for the filmmaker, reducing the amount of equipment I need to carry to locations. A clapperboard, vital for synchronizing multi-camera shots and audio, and a teleprompter for scripted interviews. The Apple Perth Business team were a valuable tool in helping me with the selection of the best platform and applications to meet my needs. They took a genuine interest in my business and their helpful, professional and knowledgeable advice made the selection process quick and simple. Their after-sales service and follow-up is world-class, something I have not experienced in the IT industry in years. For these reasons, I am delighted to call the Apple Business team partners in the success of my business.